demand legal demand.
Before the government.
Since yesterday, the main spirit part of the demand is free demand. So number one, implementation of greater tribunal, which means it may be constitutional, not other than constitution. Number one. Number two, the promoter is strongly insisting the state government to hold the village council election at the earliest. They are already late by 8-9 months. People are suffering in the villages. So we are appealing the state government to hold village council election at the earliest possible. This is number two. Number three, we are asking the central government to introduce the NRC or oppose the CAA. These are the three main demands for which the chief promoter is launching the 2 days sitting down. So today is the second day, the last day. We are seeing and observing a great response of the people of the state. We believe, we are insisting the central government to move the issue on the floor of the parliament in the next ensuing parliament session. And we are asking the state government also to initiate it from its assembly also, because it has to be viewed from the state government also. So they cannot deny the demand and the support of the people of the state. Therefore today also we believe that the state government and the central government will record the support of the people of the state, that we indeed insisting the government to consider and implement according to the democratic system and constitutionally. So these are the three points we have demanded today. Thank you.